Hey y'all, my name is Miss Angela and I work at Fort Worth Public Library's Central Library. Today we're going to be doing a craft activity with materials that you almost certainly have at home. It's just going to be an empty toilet paper roll and a black marker. And this activity is good for kids, maybe preschool with help, and younger school-age kids. So first you're going to take your toilet paper roll and fold down the top, just like that. You see how that looks like ears? Now this could be anything you make it into. I'm going to show you an owl, but you could make a lot of different animals out of this. To make an owl, we're going to start with the eyes. Okay, we're going to make two big circles. 1, 2. And you can make your eyes however you like. Big, small, silly, they don't even have to be round. Then put a pupil in the middle or to the side. Make a beak like that. And then you can draw a little on your ears, maybe make some triangles up there. And then some wings. Very simple, but you could get more elaborate. You could make hatch marks, you could draw feathers, and then we'll add some feet down at the bottom. Woo! And then if you like, I have some other examples. Cat, a badger, but you can make anything that comes to your mind. Thanks everyone for watching. We'll see you next time.